Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock this sculpting hobby in Heartopia even after the winter event has ended. First, just find the NPC Azure. After the winter event, Azure is no longer in the event area and has moved near Heartopia store in the central square. You can find Azure right around this spot, this one, and then talk to her. And then just choose fashion wave hobby, this one, and then in here you can buy this snow sculpting hobby ticket to unlock the hobby. And then after purchasing it, you will usually receive quest by Azure that called basic snow sculpture. Just talk to her again, and usually you will notice the basic quest over here, the button over here. And then after that, just completing this quest, and by completing this quest will reward you with a snow sculpting pants and a snow machine that looks like this one. And then you will also get a snow machine that looks like this one. And then you will get another quest that called tool prep. This quest asks you to place those sculpting tools in your house like this. Just place it to your house. And then after that, the game will ask you to try sculpting for the first time. In this tutorial, unfortunately, I can show the step-by-step process directly in this video because I already unlocked this hobby during the winter event. But don't worry, if you're confused about this sculpting process, you can check the tutorial link in the descriptions. I have made a full guide before, and the steps are exactly the same. And okay, that's how you can unlock this sculpting hobby even after the winter event ends. Hope this helps, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!